Hey guys, it's Beth from Avery Home Decor, and today's video I'm doing a collaboration with Public Goods. I can't wait to show you what's in this box here. They sent me some goodies, but first I want to let you know that you can check the description box and you'll see a code that you can use, and it's also here on the screen. But first, let me just tell you a little bit about Public Goods and why I chose to do a collaboration with them. Public Goods is a membership and direct-to-consumer company with the simple belief that safe and sustainable products should be accessible to all. So I've got some cleaning products and I've got some really good smelling soy candles I want to share with you. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and go through each of the products one by one when we get over to my client's house, because as you know, I am staging their bathroom. And what I like to do is make sure everything is nice and clean when I leave their place. So I've got some surface cleaners and some glass cleaners. And I'm also going to do some scent testing with the soy candles and see which one we like the best. So come along with me and let's go check out these products in this box. Everything's packaged really good. I'm going to show you the first two items that I'm going to be cleaning with from them. Alright, so here's the first item. It's a surface cleaner. As you see, pure, no dyes, and fresh clean scent. And since we're in the bathroom, we're also going to be cleaning the mirrors. So I like to leave the places that I stage clean. So I'm going to try this today. It's a glass cleaner because it can get a little messy when you're doing glass staging. And of course, after things are clean, I like a fresh scent. So this lavender and vanilla candle smells really good. Let's put these products to work. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be using the Public Goods surface cleaner. You can already see it's color free, but it's also paraben free, gluten free, natural fragrance, cruelty free, vegan friendly, and gray water friendly. And it does have a really nice clean scent. Very light, nothing overwhelming. So you wouldn't have to worry about mixing fragrances if you wanted to use a nice candle after you were done, like I do in my bathroom. Alright, so let's go ahead. We got a little grime in here. And see what we can do. Get a little closer so we can see that. Alright, so I'm just going to get this surface really clean for the client. And it's doing a pretty good job. Looks shiny. Smells really fresh. So yeah, for this product, I would definitely get it. I'm always looking for something to be gentle on my countertops, be it in the bathroom or the kitchen. And you can also use it for your tile. So the next thing I want to try out is actually the mirror glass. You see a little residue on there. I'm going to see how this glass cleaner works. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and check out this glass cleaner. It is also paraben free, it's vegan friendly, sulfate free, gluten free, gray water friendly, and cruelty free. So I like the fact that it's clear, you have no colors. So they give you a lot in this product. Alright guys, this is the glass cleaner. I'm trying to get off little pieces that were sticking. So most of the times I use a microfiber on my surfaces, but this actually did just fine, which is one of the things I was wondering if it would be streak free, and it is. Alright, so take a close look at that. Alright, so we're going to do our smell see which one, our smell test, see which one the client likes the best. So this one is the cedar suede.
Oh, great.
Okay, that one's a thumbs up. So you got 2 people so far that think that's a thumbs up. All right, you know my favorite is the lavender and vanilla, but we're gonna let you smell that one last. So this one is the black currant. Smell that one. Let me know what you think. So you like the other one better?
Yes.
Okay, guys. Okay, and our last but not least one is lavender and vanilla soy candle. All right, so what do you think about that one?
It's good, but I like the first one better.
So you have a perspective from 2 different people. I cleaned the mirror with the glass cleaner. I cleaned the surface with the surface cleaner. And it looks shiny, streak free, so I give it thumbs up as well. Alright guys, so this is the end of another video. I want to give a thanks to Public Goods for this collaboration. And I'm going to definitely be purchasing from Public Goods. And I suggest you guys too. So don't forget to check out that description box and get my code. Go on their website, and I will see you all on the next one.